Hi guys, Miss Smith is down on our carpet this morning. So on Monday I sent home a sheet, and if you guys can see it, it's a highlighted sheet. It has some shapes. I put that in your folder, or if you were not here on Monday, then it should have been in your folder on Tuesday. I want you to get that white piece of paper out with the highlighter with the shapes. And you also need a pencil. We are going to practice tracing over our shapes. So you're going to get that pencil and you're just going to follow right along that line that I have. So if you can see that, that first shape is a triangle. Okay? And then once you have that one done, we're going to move on to the next shape. Alright, so your shape should look kind of like that, which is a circle. Our third shape is a square. So everybody's going to draw their square. So far we have a triangle, a circle, and a square. When you have the first three shapes drawn, underneath those shapes, I want you to try to draw the shape above on your own. So underneath the triangle, I'm going to make a slanted line. And then I'm going to come to the very top and I'm going to make another slanted line. And then I'm going to make a line across to make my triangle. And it kind of looks like a pizza. And then for the next shape, I need to draw the circle underneath the top circle. So I'm just going to make a round, like a face or like a whole pizza. And then underneath the square, I'm going to do the same thing. So I need to draw a straight line. And then I'm going to come to the edge and I'm going to draw a line down. And then I'm going to draw a line over. And then I'm going to draw a line up to make that square. So now we're going to do the same thing down here at the bottom. So I'm going to trace over that first shape. All right, and that first shape is a rectangle. And then our next shape, we're going to trace over that one. And Miss Smith may be a little faster than this that you guys are because Miss Smith's been doing this a very long time. All right, and that next shape is a hexagon. Remember, a hexagon has 6 sides. And then our last shape we're going to draw, we kind of need to draw it just like a circle, only this one is a little bit skinnier. And a skinnier circle is called an oval. So now we're going to do the same thing like we did up at the top. We need to draw these shapes underneath. So I'm going to make a straight line at the top. And then at the very end, I'm going to draw a small line down. And then I'm going to go to the end of this line and I'm going to draw another long line. And then I'm going to draw one more all the way to close it. And then we have our rectangle. Next, for a hexagon, we need to make a short line up at the top. And then we're going to come to the very end and we're going to do a slanted line. So a slanted line is not straight, it's kind of like a slide. I'm going to come to the other side and I'm going to do another slanted line. And then at the very bottom, I'm going to do another slanted line, only this slanted line is going to go in instead of out. Okay? So if you guys can see mine, it goes in instead of out. Alright, and at the very bottom, we're just going to draw a straight line across, and then we have our hexagon. And then our last shape we have is our oval, so we need to draw it like a circle, only we're going to make it a little skinnier. So I'm going to come to the top, and I'm just going to go around, but not quite as big, and then just make it skinny. So there we have 6 shapes that we practiced and drawn. If you guys can, when you guys do this, I want mom or dad to put this in your folder and then send it in on Thursday. Bye, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.